Ani. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what? We back with another one. Today I am bringing to you a hair tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I got this beautiful crochet look using the hair I got from Amazon. And if you're interested in that hair, I'm going to link it down in the bottom below. I'm not going to take too much of you guys' time today. I know I always say that, but I mean it today, you guys. Trust me. Believe in me. You guys, if you are new to my channel, I'm going to need you to like, subscribe, comment, hit that post notification so you can be the first to know when your girl's dropping a new video. And if you are a subscriber, welcome back. I love y'all. Keep it coming. But you guys, we're going to get right into this. This is just a cute little crochet look. So if you like what you see, stay tuned. Catch you on the flip side. Peace. Alright guys, so this is a list of the things you'll need for this hairstyle. You'll first need your crochet hook, a rat tail comb for parting and braiding, hair shears or scissors for shaping, and of course your beautiful crochet hair of your choice. And this is what the hair that I got looks like when you bring it out of the packaging. It just comes with 3 bags of hair, and I used about a little over 2 packages for this style here, or packages for this style. Now it's definitely up to you. If you want it more full, you'll use more hair. If you want it less full, you'll use less. And this is what the hair looks in the individual pieces. And what I do is I take one piece, I'll break it up and pull it apart and make it into 2 pieces because I want a more full look. And you could use just the one piece if you want that more together look, but I wanted it to look a little messy. And you guys, don't laugh at my braids. I am horrible at French braids. Like, I'm not good at all. But my braid pattern was very simple. In the back, the braids are just going straight back. And then when I turn around to the front, you'll see, I'll explain how I did it in the front. Now, what I do is I make sure I put each braid or crochet hair 2 finger lengths apart in the back because I don't want it to be too full in the back. And then I start with the crochet process. So I just take the hook, go underneath my braid, grab my hair, loop it around my hook, pull it through, pull that hair through, and then loop it around 2 times. And just complete that process until I get all the way to the top of that braid. So again, I'm just going to put the hair on the hook, pull it through, loop it through twice. And you don't have to loop it through twice. I just choose to do that for added security. But because this hair is curly, you shouldn't have any issues with it coming out. But definitely if you were using straight hair for crochets, you definitely want to do it twice, even 3 times. Alright, and you guys, while I'm doing this, I just want to tell you a little bit about this hair. Now, this hair, like I said, I did purchase it from Amazon. Now, this hair, I would not recommend if you want longevity because it is synthetic and it's kind of coarse. So it does get tangled easily. I would say this is perfect if you're wanting just a quick style for, I don't know, if it's your birthday and you are just wanting something cute to go out. I wouldn't wear this more than 3 weeks tops with this type of hair. If you want something that is gonna last you a little bit longer, then I would definitely recommend getting a different type of hair. Alright guys, so we're all done with the back. Now we're going to go ahead and start on the front part of my head. Now this braid pattern I have here is on the right side. I just kind of have those braids going down into the back, and on the left side, I have it the same. And you'll see that I have two braids that go straight back. That is where my side part will be, and I will do those two braids a little different, but well, you'll see when we get to it. But for right now, I'm doing the same process as the back. The only difference is instead of having my crochets 2 finger widths apart, I'm only having them 1 finger width apart because I do want it to be a little fuller up front. Okay, now I moved over to the other side of my head. I completed one side. Now I'm working on the other side and doing the same process. And you guys, you see how close I am to the top of that braid? We want to make sure we get our crochet as close to the edge of that braid as possible. Alrighty, so we're all done with the crocheting of the rest of the hair, so we're just going to work on our side part. So you start the crochet process as the same as you would the other braids. So you hook it through, but this is where we switch it up a bit. So you're going to go ahead and instead of placing both pieces through, you're going to split it up like so and just pull one piece of the hair through and then pull. And then you're just gonna lay that other piece on top of that braid. And the reason we do this is it makes that part look more natural. It's like an invisible part. And I'll show you one time, as usual, one more time I should say. As usual, just go ahead and go underneath that braid, hook it on, clasp it, pull through, grab the loop, grab one piece, and pull, and then just lay over. And you just complete that process for both sides. And one thing that I did not mention, when you are crocheting, just make sure before you put the hook underneath your braid that the clasp is closed. Then you open it to place the hair on the hook, close it back, then pull it through. And you'll just want to complete the process on the other side. And depending on if you're left-handed and right-handed, one side may feel just a little awkward, but just take your time and you'll be able to get it done. Alright, so this is the finished product, the finished look. You see that invisible part? All we have to do now is just take some hair shears or scissors if you don't have hair shears, and you just want to kind of shape up that hair. Now we don't want to cut off too much because it already has a natural layer, so it doesn't need to be layered. Just cutting off any little stragglers that are hanging on there. And you just do that until you are satisfied with how that looks, and you'll be good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. If you want to see more hair tutorials, please just let your girl know. I'll be more than happy to do that. But until next time, guys, you guys have a great day. I'll see you on my next video.